Thank you for visiting PianoLessonsForLife.com. My name is Greg. I'm your personal piano professor, and just going to talk to you real quick about transposing a simple three-chord progression, which you're actually going to find yourself doing quite often, especially if you're a singer, or if you play for singers, possibly in a church praise band or any kind of band. You're going to want to know at least how to transpose a simple three-chord progression. And we'll start with the key of C, because I always start with the key of C. It helps with, if you're a beginner, to see it in the key of C and then move it to different keys. But anyways, of course, you know the simple three-chord progression uses the chord built on the first note of the scale, C, the chord built on the fourth, F, and the chord built on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth note, which is G. So we've got those three chords, and of course if you play them using voice leading, you can do that, or you can do this, and then of course that's a lot of hand motion. But anyways, the three chords are built on the first note, fourth note, and fifth note, and that's why they call it a 1-4-5 progression. That's the number system is the thing that I'm kind of getting across here. It's the way they taught me at school to think about this. Now, so it's pretty simple. So if I have these three chords in C, and I want to move to the key of G, well, the one chord's obvious. It would be the G note. 4 chord is C, 5 chord is D. So I've got, those are the same chords. So a simple melody in C would be, in G, I'd use the same chords, and the melody would move the same way. I started on the first note, I'm going to start on the first note again. Alright? Okay, and you can move it to any key that way. Let's say you want to move it to the key of E flat. Okay? So you take you have to know the scale. Do, re, mi, fa, so is really all you need to know. So you got 1, 4, and 5. So your three chords in the key of E flat are E flat, A flat, and B flat. And you can play the song again. Right? Let's take the key of D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, and 5. Those are your three chords. D, G, and A. Okay? So that's simple transposing, and again, we use the number system because it just makes it a little easier. So, you know, you're going to need to know your scales, or at least in this case, the first 5 notes of the major scale, and a little bit about your chords, and transposing is not such a hard thing. Now, sometimes you're going to have more chords than just the 3, but the concept's the same. You find the note that it's written off of that major scale, like A minor, would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were going to do, put an A minor in there, so there's 1, 6, 4, and 5. 1, 6, 4, 5, 1. Well, in G it would be 1, 6 is E minor, and 4, and 5, and 1. Okay, not so hard. Thank you for visiting Personal Piano Professor at PianoLessonsForLife.com, and take an opportunity to sign up for my free lesson alerts, or send me a question or a report. Let me know how you're doing, and let me know how I can improve the website for you so that you can learn to play faster and quicker. Thanks for visiting me today.